I'm never quite settled, it's like I'm on a journey, interviewing chicks to find out one that's worthy. I'm a breast man who likes his chicks curvy, hygienically clean but sexually dirty, attitude rude but she gotta be clued up, a little bit bitchy but won't burn your food up. I hate when they're pretty but mentally screwed up. If they're just too simple, real easy to fool up. Been with plenty many in multiples of 20, and if the truth be told, I don't miss barely any, cause up until this day I still have nightmares of Kemi, cause when it comes to money shooting more like Demi. Karen was cool, swallowed babies by the mouthful, house by the pool, cashed up to the eyeball. The chick was fit, but damn she chat shit though, 24/7 like to pack up and get go. Ain't no racist, though I'ma colour her faces. If her beauty's booming, banging like the basis, I'll untie her bra, quit like my laces. With a ghetto name, less rich or she's famous. Ain't no racist, though I'ma colour her faces. If her beauty's booming, banging like the basis, I'll untie her bra, quit like my laces. With a ghetto name, less rich or she's famous. From Trinity to Jamaica, Grenada to Beijing, all nations I blaze her, black, white and Asian. Ain't none to waste, none sure the comes embrace them. All colours and creeds like the United Nation. We all got our weaknesses to different temptation. Wise walking tits giving deep penetration. I love receiving head, that's oral masturbation. Get my dick all hard on the rise like inflation. They're all God's creations, that's why I don't discriminate. All nations of the earth get served like a dinner plate. We all got our preferences and different criteria, from the outside body work to deep in the interior. Place of origin ain't top of my agenda, cause I'm easily persuaded if the booty feel tender. Smooth and slender, got me standing to attention, reaching for my wallet to get me some protection. Ain't no racist, though I'ma colour her faces. If her beauty's booming, banging like the basis, I'll untie her bra, quit like my laces. With a ghetto name, less rich or she's famous. Ain't no racist, though I'ma colour her faces. If her beauty's booming, banging like the basis, I'll untie her bra, quit like my laces. With a ghetto name, less rich or she's famous. Now I'm a self-confessed Halle Berry fan. How I'd love to hear that voice calling me her man. If that didn't work, I'll be snatching up J-Lo. Wicked in a bed, I get head like a cane roll. I got a thing for blondes, I'd like to hit Pamela. I like Tommy Lee, capture the shit on my camera. Speaking of cameras, I'd like to hit Abby. A menage starring me, her and Halle. Quite like Eva, but I'm falling for Alicia. She'd get the keys to the house and a pin for my visa. Don't go to church, but Charlotte would feature. Naughty little girl getting spanked by the teacher. Big brother house, I'm chilling all cozy. Me, Tracy, Saskia and Makosi. Triple X rated, so the viewing's restricted. Last one to make me comes first to be evicted. Ain't no racist, though I'ma colour her faces. If her beauty's booming, banging like the basis, I'll untie her bra, quit like my laces. With a ghetto name, less rich or she's famous. Ain't no racist, though I'ma colour her faces. If her beauty's booming, banging like the basis, I'll untie her bra, quit like my laces. With a ghetto name, less rich or she's famous.